Okay, first one of the day. New client with his 71 plate Tiger 850 Sport. This is his daily commuter, so she is looking a little sad for herself. I don't know what they're putting on these roads nowadays, but it deteriorates your bike so quickly. All that white is all corrosion setting in. So he's going for one of our legendary full Monty valets. We're going to get all this cleaned off, all this grit, grime, road salt, everything off of there. We're going to mist it with XCP corrosion protection. So nice to see a well-lubed chain. Look at that. That is a proper lubed up chain. We get rid of all this crap, all that burnt on stuff. I get the belly pan off, get that exhaust looking like new. All this crap here, that's corrosion. That's salt grit eating away at your motorbike. So we're going to get all that off of there, get it misted with XCP, get it looking like it should. I'm going to do a single stage machine polish on that windscreen, and like I said, get it properly protected. One of our legendary full Monty valets. So let's get cracking. There you go, 2 hours on the dot. Another trot full Monty valet is in the books. This Tiger 850 Sport has been trotted and looking freaking sweet. Look at those exhausts, they come up like new, meticulously cleaned. All these wheels, calipers, all the engine, everything has been meticulously cleaned. All the edge of the disc, all the chain had been degreased, re-lubed, all the burnt on tar on the exhaust has been removed. Everything's been covered in XCP, as this is a daily commuter and lives in London, and it had quite a bit of corrosion already. It's had an extra coating of XCP, all sprayed on your switch gear, all behind your headlight, all your motor, all your suspension linkages, all up underneath the subframe, underneath the seat. Everything's had a nice misting of the XCP clear. It's had the XCP orange on all your banjo bolt, pinch bolts, etc. We then did a hand polish on this because it's just going with a full Monty valet, which does not include the 2-stage polish. Looking sweet. Gonna put that belly pan back on, get it started up, burn off the excess XCP, and this one is ready to go. Yes, Shane, this is done in 2 hours.